A peek into Lionel Messi's high-end lifestyle. Lionel Messi, often hailed as one of the greatest footballers of all time, not only commands the pitch with his extraordinary talent, but also lives a high-end lifestyle that matches his iconic status. As an international superstar, Messi has not only amassed a substantial fortune through his football career, but has also embraced a lifestyle of opulence and extravagance. From luxury mansions and a collection of elite vehicles to exclusive fashion choices and extravagant vacations, Lionel Messi's high-end lifestyle is a testament to his remarkable success both as an athlete and as a global icon. Hey there! Welcome to New Money Luxury, your all-in-one source for all things about athletes, celebrities, and royalties, where we talk about their lifestyle, spending habits, and luxurious means of living. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and so you won't miss any of our uploads. It's no secret that a successful athletic career doesn't only lead to fame, but fortune too, bringing in the big bucks both on the pitch and off in the form of lucrative endorsements. But among these sports stars, one man boasts the fattest bank account of them all. Lionel Messi is the highest paid athlete on the planet right now. Messi has a penchant for splurging his wealth on fancy vehicles, which includes vehicles such as a Maserati Gran Turismo, a Dodge Charger SRT8, Ferrari F430 Spider, and a Pagani Zonda tricolor that is valued at $2 million. There are rumours that the Argentine purchased the most valuable car ever, a 1957 Ferrari 335 Sport Spider Scaglietti, for the staggering price of $37 million in 2016. On the other hand, he gave the impression of denying the rumours by means of a tongue-in-cheek Instagram post in which he published a photo of himself holding up a toy automobile with the phrase, "My new car." In addition to that, he has an extensive collection of exquisite residences. The property Messi purchased on the outskirts of Barcelona for $7 million is the most opulent and extravagant of his real estate holdings. It would appear that the surrounding area similarly exhales a sumptuous atmosphere, as it is surrounded by costly mansions and villas. In point of fact, it has evolved into the most prestigious neighbourhood in all of Catalonia. In addition, Camp Nou football stadium is not too far away, making it simple to get to the venue when you want to play a game there. In addition, his home features breathtaking panoramas of the Catalan countryside and the coastlines of the Mediterranean. The well-appointed home also includes a sizable swimming pool, a football field, and a playground, all of which are on a smaller scale. In a similar manner, Messi has given the interior an appearance that is complementary to the Mediterranean style by decorating it with light walls and wooden furnishings in a light walnut tone. It is predominantly decorated in a dark brown and beige, and the area contains a large number of sofas. Also in 2019, Messi purchased a residential unit on a Porsche designed tower for a price of $5 million. The construction of the skyscraper was finished in 2017, and it can be found on the oceanfront in Sunny Isles, which is in the city of Miami. A German supercar maker began promoting it almost immediately after it was finished being built. To demonstrate this point, the tower features 3 car lifts, which enable residents to park their vehicles on the exact same level as their residences. In addition to that, they have a glass-enclosed garage that may be used as a decorative feature. Regarding its interior, it is totally decorated in white, with black steel windows and door frames providing a striking contrast to the colour scheme. In addition to that, it has marble furnishing and smoked windows. The duplex as a whole has a large living area, in addition to 2 bedrooms and a total of 5 bathrooms. To provide more explanation, the ceiling of the living room is open all the way up to the ceiling of the 2nd story. In addition, the living area features a plethora of windows which allow for an expansive amount of natural light and detailed views of the coastline. According to The Real Deal, Messi additionally possesses a sprawling estate in his hometown of Rosario, Argentina, an eco house based on his career and the full floor of a high-end condominium in the St. Isles Beach, Florida, which he purchased for $7.3 million in 2021. In addition to residential properties, he is also an owner of a number of business enterprises such as hotels. Since 2017, Messi has been the owner of the hotel chain MIM Hotels, which is managed by Majestic Hotel Group and features resorts in the cities of Barcelona, Ibiza, and Mallorca. The network launched its first ski resort the next year, in 2021, in the Aran Valley, which is located in the centre of the Pyrenees. As reported by Forbes, the hotel features 141 rooms, a spa, an indoor swimming pool, a fitness facility, and services provided by mountain guides. Despite this, he has been compelled to tear down the hotel that he owned in Barcelona. In 2017, Messi paid $35 million for the structure, at which stage it had already been determined that it would be demolished due to the excessive size of its balconies. It is impossible for him to solve the problem as well, because any attempt to reduce the size of the balconies or eliminate them altogether would cause the hotel to collapse. Even though he's a dedicated athlete, Messi takes time off to relax and enjoy himself. Messi uses his private plane, which costs $15 million, to travel the world and does it pretty frequently. Additionally, he travels quite a lot. Private jet model Gulfstream 5, owned by Messi, was manufactured in 2004. It features 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms, and accommodation for up to 16 guests. It has the number 10, which has his shirt number when he played for Barcelona, emblazoned on its tail, and the names of his wife Antonella and the kids they have are engraved on the steps. One summer, Messi and his family went to Ushuaia, a sandy beach hotel on the island of Ibiza, to celebrate his 35th birthday. Francesc Fabregas and Luis Suarez, both of whom were the football players' former teammates at Barcelona, as well as their wives, attended the event. In addition, in Argentina and also in Miami. After Messi's team won the 2021 Copa America with Argentina, the Miami Herald reports that he decided to spend his victory vacation on the beautiful beaches of South Florida. According to reports in British media, the player for Paris Saint-Germain rented a 4-storey property in Key Biscayne that cost $10,000 per night and featured 5 bedrooms, 5 restrooms, a gym, a rooftop patio, and an infinity pool. Lastly, it's no secret that Lionel Messi is a generous person with a big heart. Taking a step back, we notice that Messi was also in charge of the financial matters of the Rosario youth team Sarmiento from 2012 until 2014. During this period, he had also provided funding for Newell's Old Boys and even built their gym from the ground up. One of his left feet was depicted in gold on a monument that weighed 25 kilograms and went on sale in Japan in March of 2013. According to the sources, the exact statue was sold for $5.25 million, and the proceeds went toward funding relief efforts for victims of the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. Following that, the Lionel Messi Foundation is an organisation that was established in 2007 in partnership with UNICEF to assist disadvantaged children all around the globe. According to UNICEF, in 2017, Messi gave his personal funds to help the foundation establish schools for 1,600 war-orphaned kids throughout Syria. In 2019, the organisation donated $218,000 to supply food and water for the people in Kenya. An excerpt from a statement made by Messi and published on the website of his charity goes as follows. "It excites me every day that I get a child smiling. When he thinks there is hope, when I see that they feel happy." According to him, this is the motive why they chose to establish the Leo Messi Foundation, and he said that he will keep striving to keep the children feel safe and happy with the same power and determination that he must maintain as a professional football player. Lionel Messi's high-end lifestyle epitomizes the pinnacle of success that he has achieved in his illustrious football career. As a footballing legend and global icon, Messi's wealth has afforded him the opportunity to live a life of unparalleled luxury and comfort. While Messi enjoys his high-end lifestyle, he continues to be a symbol of perseverance and success in the world of sports. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content, and be sure to comment on other celebrities, athletes, and royalties you would like us to profile in future episodes. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.